Hi there, my name is Mohammad Abbas and welcome to Computer Tech Skill. In this tutorial, we'll try to learn about the first class of Microsoft Publisher for beginners. So without any further ado, let's get started. So I have opened Microsoft Publisher. Make sure to open Microsoft Publisher there. Let me reopen that for you. So we have got the interface of Microsoft Publisher there. Let's try to understand the first thing, that what is Microsoft Publisher. Microsoft Publisher, as you can see, that there are many sort of templates present there, which I'll be explaining furthermore for you. Microsoft Publisher is sort of a program that is used to make certificates, cards, invitation cards, or maybe sort of degrees and all of that stuff. So I'll be teaching you all of those things. Make sure to understand all of these templates that are present there. Let's try to open that out. Maybe this one, thank you cards. Make sure to click on create. You must be observing that we have got sort of template or sort of card there. So this is something that is already made inside Publisher. This is what I just want to make you understand, that what things can be created inside Microsoft Publisher. So now you're free to open any one of them you like, or even you can search that out there. Business newsletter. You can create all of the stuff that I have opened there and you can benefit that. Make sure to go for file, new, and go for blank. So we have got the blank document there, which I'll be teaching you all of the things that is related to the blank document. Make sure to click there and type something. Make sure to select that and increase the size of that. Maybe it is new for some of you, however, this must be taught in the previous tutorials, like increasing the size, decreasing the size, and you can also increase or decrease the size there. You can go and change the font style there, which I have already taught you in MS Word, Excel, or PowerPoint. Algerian. Make sure to go and click on this. Go for this B, which means to bold the font. Italic, underline option. You can also go for small caps, all caps, and over there you can bring sort of spaces inside letters, and you can also go there and change the color of that. Fill effects, gradient fill. You can apply gradient fill inside that. Hit OK. You must be observing that I have applied two color inside font. Simple font color. You can change the color of that. Tints. You can apply tints. Tints means the color that is related to the color that you have applied already. Like this, see, tints 40%, 50%, 20% shade, and all of the stuff that is present there can be applied. Select that, make sure to go there and apply more colors. If you want to make more of the colors or apply more of the colors, you can go and play with that. Select that, and there is an option clear all formatting. The moment you apply there, all of the effects and all of the size or style, all of the stuff that you have applied will be removed. Make sure to increase the size of that. If you want to take copy of that, make sure to select that and hold the control button and press C in order to be taking the copy of that. And if you want to paste that, hold the control and press V button, so that it will be giving you the copy of the thing that you have taken as copy. So select that and go there. There are some sort of bullets that must be making sure that how many of the paragraphs do you have. And similarly, there can be more of the bullets which can make sure that this is number 1 or 2 or 3 paragraph. And there is an option which is align center, align right, align left. And furthermore, you can justify that out if you want. And there is an option which must be bringing sort of space inside lines. And there is an option must mean right text direction. If you click on that and type there, it will be starting, or it will be typing from the left side. If you click there, it will be typing from the right side. Make sure to select all of the paragraph and click there, 2 columns. It will be divided into 2 columns, and it will be divided into 3 columns. And similarly, if you want to go back for 1 column, it will be applied as 1 column. Make sure to select that. Go for style. You can apply styles there. Any one of the style you want to apply, you can apply that. And there is another option, draw text box, drag that out. So the moment you drag that out, we have got format text box tools, in which you can furthermore work on that. If you want to type something inside that, like for example, I am copying that and pasting that and selecting that, text direction, text fill, and text direction. You can change the direction of the text, and there are some of the old options which I have taught you. Similarly, margins, narrow, moderate, wide, none, and more of the styles inside that. Like you can apply any of the one of the style. Text fill, and text effect. Let me zoom it in a little bit in order to be observing furthermore. Now you can see that I have applied shadow there, and you can furthermore apply more of the options inside that. Like we have got shadow and reflections and glue, and also bevel. If you want to apply bevel on the text, you are free to be applying that. Select that. Make sure to select that. Drop cap, we have got drop cap there. Well, I think system is a little bit lacking. Make sure to go and use drop cap. If I apply any one of drop caps, that means that first letter will be in bigger size and rest of them will be smaller size. Make sure to go back for home and wind up the tutorial over there. I hope you have enjoyed the tutorial. If you did, please give a thumbs up, subscribe the channel, and press the bell icon for more. Thank you so much for watching the tutorial. I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye bye for now.